Hello, good day dear students. Pinky Suhail here, your science teacher of class 4. I am going to teach you the first part of the lesson, Characteristics of Living Things, from Oxford Primary Science Book 4. Okay students, today we will learning about cell, its organelles and function, basic needs of living things, and living things depend on each other. So students, what is cell? All living things are made up of cells. The cell is the basic unit of life. All living organisms are either single cells or are multicellular organisms composed of many cells together. Okay student, we will learning about cell discovery. The cell was first discovered and named by Robert Hooke in 1665. The word cell comes from the Latin word cella. Cella means small room. It is very small particle, we cannot see it without microscope. Microscope is an instrument which is used to see small organisms. Types of cells. Students, I will show an animal and plant cell picture on your screen. Animal cells have cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm and vacuole. You can see on your screen cytoplasm, nucleus, cell membrane, vacuole. Cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. It allows only certain materials to move in and out of the cell. It also gives the cell its shape. Now, nucleus. All the activities of the cell are controlled by the nucleus. Cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance that fills the cell. All the living organelles of the cell are suspended or floating in it. Vacuole. The function of a vacuole is to store food, water and waste substances. Now I am going to explain you plant cell, which have two additive organelles that are chloroplast and cell wall. Chloroplast. Plant cells contain a green pigment called chlorophyll, which absorbs energy from the sun and helps the plant to make its food. And cell wall. It is made up of a tough material called cellulose. It supports and protects the plant cell. Difference between plant and animal cell. Students, as you know, plant cell and animal cell both have a cell membrane. You can see on your screen. They both contain cytoplasm and a nucleus. A plant cell has one large vacuole and an animal cell has many small vacuoles. Plant cell also contains cell wall and chloroplast. Okay students, now we have learned all living things are made up of a cell. Students, we will move to other topic, that is basic needs of living things. So let's start. Living things need some basic things, that is air to breathe, water to drink, food to eat, and shelter to live. Students, learn about the all basic needs of living things one by one. First one is air to breathe. Students, we take in air from our nose or mouth. It is called breathing in. When we give out air from our nose or mouth, it is called breathing out. Students, we cannot hold our breath for long. We cannot live without breathing. Humans breathe through nose and can also breathe through mouth. Animals also breathe. Dogs is animal. Do they breathe? Yes, they breathe, as they are living things. They also breathe with their nose, so animals breathe with their nose as well as mouth. Plants too are living things and they also breathe. So students, all living things need air to live. Living things cannot live without air, which is necessary for breathing. Now let's see another thing which is basic need of living thing, that is water to drink. Students, do you drink water? Yes, and so many times a day. All living things need water to stay healthy. Student, do you water plants at home? Or your mom and dad give water to plants? It is because plants too need water. All plants need water to make their food. Water enters the plants through its roots and travels through tiny tubes in the stem to its upper parts, that is all the leaves, branches and stems. So students, all the plants, animals and all of us need water to live. So the water is one of the basic needs of all living things. So let's move to another basic need of living thing, that is food to eat. We all need food, don't we? Yes, we eat food, whatever we like daily, so many times a day. We also give food to our pets. We also give food to our plants. We give water and manure to plants, which is their food. Food gives energy to all the living things to do work. If we don't eat food, we will fall sick. So food makes us grow big and strong. So let's start another basic thing of living thing, that is shelter to live. All living things need their home or shelter. Students, where do you live? You live in your home, that's your shelter. If it's very cold outside, you cannot survive for long outside, as you need warmth. Your home provides you warmth. When it's raining outside, you cannot stay outside for long. You need shelter, that is your home. You feel comfortable at your home. You have all the things you need only at your home. Every animal needs its shelter too. If it's very cold, hot or raining outside, animals need their shelter. So students, we make shelter for our pets too. Birds make their own nests to live. That's their home or shelter. Our shelter or our home protects us from heat, cold, wind and rain. So students, we learn the basic needs of living things. Okay students, we move to another topic, that is living things depends on each other. Look at the picture. Student, as you know, all living things need air, water, food, minerals, light and warmth. Animals and plants depend on each other for life. Plants provide humans and other animals with food. They also produce the oxygen that we breathe in. Humans and other animals take in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, as you can see in your picture. Carbon dioxide is needed by plants to make food. Animals also provide plants with manure. In this way, plants give something and receive something. Okay student, it's time to get your home task. You can see your home task on your screen. There are 4 questions and you have to find their answer from your science book. Question number 1. Give 2 examples of how plants and animals depend on each other. Question number 2. What is the function of a vacuole? Question number 3. Name the basic need of living things and you have to describe any 2. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Humans and other animals take in dash and breathe out dash. Number 2. Plants make their own dash by a process called photosynthesis. Number 3. Plants and animals dash on each other. Number 4. Plants produce dash, which is in the air we breathe in. Student, this is note for you. Do all the homework given to you from the first lesson till the present one in your copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework and activities. Students, we will be continue the same lesson in second part. Okay student, stay home, stay safe, God bless you.